We all want our outdoor surfaces like driveways, patios and building exteriors looking pristine. Pressure washing is a popular solution, but it's crucial to understand that not all pressure washing services deliver the same quality of clean. The truth is, the equipment and the expertise behind it make a world of difference to the final result. At the Stain Eaters, we believe in providing a truly superior clean. That's why we've invested heavily in developing our own custom-built pressure washing systems, going far beyond what standard equipment or a DIY approach can ever hope to achieve. Many people try cleaning with store-bought pressure washers, but often face challenges. Things like inconsistent stripy results, the risk of damaging surfaces with the wrong pressure, or simply lacking the power to shift that really tough ingrained grime. It can also take a huge amount of time and effort to clean large areas. Even some professional services might use standard off-the-shelf equipment. These systems usually don't have effective hot water capabilities, the high water flow needed for efficiency, or the range of specialist attachments that are essential for tackling diverse surfaces and heavy grime, especially on larger or more complex projects. This is where the Stain Eaters approach truly stands out. Our custom-built pressure washing systems are housed in our dedicated surface restoration vehicles, which are engineered from the ground up. They are purpose-built for professional heavy-duty exterior cleaning, designed to handle a wide spectrum of cleaning challenges with unmatched power, precision and efficiency. So what makes our systems deliver superior results? Let's take a closer look. First, fully adjustable pressure. This is absolutely critical. Our technicians can precisely control the pressure, dialing it right down for a gentle soft wash on delicate render or valuable heritage stonework. Then they can ramp it up significantly to powerfully dislodge years of stubborn dirt from robust concrete or industrial floors. This versatility means we clean effectively and completely safely without damaging your property. Add to this our onboard hot water boiler units. Hot water is a genuine game changer in pressure cleaning. Think about trying to wash your greasy dishes with cold water, it just doesn't cut it. It's the same for outdoor grime. The heat from our systems dramatically boosts cleaning power, effectively breaking down and emulsifying grease, oil, thick grime, stubborn tire marks, and even helping to sanitize surfaces with mold or algae. It achieves a depth of clean that cold water simply can't match. Our systems also deliver high volume water flow. This works hand in hand with pressure, allowing for much faster rinsing, more efficient removal of dislodged debris, and significantly quicker cleaning of large surface areas. This means less time on site and less disruption for you. And then there are the specialist cleaning attachments. We always use the right tool for the job. High-efficiency spinjet units or surface cleaners are perfect for large flat areas like car parks and driveways. They clean rapidly and with perfect uniformity, eliminating those telltale zebra stripes. We also use various long lances to safely and effectively reach high building facades or those awkward, hard-to-get-to spots. Plus, features like large onboard water tanks mean we can often work self-sufficiently, and our extensive hose reach allows us to cover large properties with maximum efficiency. Having superior equipment is one thing, but it's only as effective as the professionals operating it. At the Stain Eaters, our technicians are highly trained and experienced surface cleaning experts. They understand different surface materials, various types of dirt and stains, and precisely how to get the best from our advanced equipment. They know which pressure setting, water temperature, specialist attachment, and if needed, which specialist cleaning solution to use for optimal results. This ensures a thorough clean without any risk to your valuable surfaces. So what does all this mean for you and your property? It means you get a deeper, more thorough and longer lasting clean that truly revitalizes your outdoor areas. Large surfaces are cleaned with remarkable efficiency, which saves time and minimizes disruption. Even the toughest, most ingrained stains and buildups are effectively tackled, and most importantly, your surfaces are cleaned safely, preserving their integrity and appearance for years to come. It all adds up to a consistently professional, high-quality finish. The Stain Eaters' commitment to delivering superior pressure washing results is built on our investment in this cutting-edge, custom-built pressure cleaning technology and the continuous training of our skilled technicians. When you choose our services, you're choosing a level of clean that standard methods simply can't achieve. We ensure your property not only looks its absolute best, but is also cared for with professional precision. So if you're looking for more than just an ordinary clean and want truly superior results for your property, contact the Stain Eaters today for an obligation-free quote and experience the remarkable difference our custom systems and expert team can deliver.